Hello guys, we learnt in previous video so many widgets like images and scaffold, app bar and more. Let's see in this video mostly commonly used in Flutter widgets, exploring widgets and such as rows, columns and scaffold, app bar and containers and images, size, padding, margin and floating action button and flat button and how to use edge sets. And let's see more stuff in this video. Three we completed two sections, like that is first section install and second section Flutter basic widgets, and we are in now third section exploring widgets. So we go to next video and explore container and widgets detailedly. Thank you for watching this video.